In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to refund an order on Shopify. If you've never issued a refund before, don't worry. This walkthrough will make it simple, clear, and confident. First, start in your Shopify admin. From the left-hand menu, open the orders section. This is your central hub for every purchase in your store. If you have a lot of orders, use the search bar or filters to narrow it down by order number, customer name, or date. Before you proceed, take a moment to review the order's details, check the payment status, fulfillment status, and what was purchased. It's helpful to confirm that the item and quantity you're about to refund match the customer's request and that any return or exchange policy requirements have been met. Next, select the specific order you want to refund. Opening the order will give you a full summary: items, shipping, discounts, and taxes. If the order has multiple items, you can confirm exactly which products are involved. This is also a good time to consider whether you're issuing a full refund or a partial refund. For example, if only one item is coming back, you might refund just that portion and leave the rest intact. Keep in mind that refunding differs from cancelling an order. Cancelling is typically done before fulfillment, while a refund addresses orders that have already been paid for. When you're ready, click Refund. This brings up the refund view where you'll see options related to quantities, amounts, shipping, and taxes. You can choose to refund the entire payment or a custom amount, and you'll often see an option to restock items so your inventory updates automatically when a returned product is coming back. You can also decide whether to notify the customer. Many stores leave this on so the buyer receives a confirmation. If there are shipping fees involved, you'll see how those are handled within the total. Discounts and taxes are typically prorated, and Shopify will show you a clear breakdown before you finalize. If you want, add an internal note documenting why the refund is being issued. This helps with future reference. A quick word on outcomes. Once a refund is processed, the money is returned to the customer's original payment method. Timelines vary by provider, but many refunds appear within a few business days. If the payment was manual, your refund record in Shopify is for tracking, and the actual funds must be handled outside the platform. Always double check the totals before confirming because refunds can't be reversed. That's it. Orders, select the order, and click Refund. You're all set.